Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. My name is Morris and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube banner in Canva. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel and let's get into it. So you can go about creating a YouTube banner by taking inspiration from someone else's work on Canva. To simply do this, head over to Canva. From the creating of accounts, just simply sign into your account, head over to the home section, click on templates here, and then type in YouTube banner. So we're going to be taking inspiration from other people's banners. We have a lot of banners here you can simply take inspiration from, some being thumbnails, so while some are really good like this. But I was able to open this up. So this is what it looks like in the full screen mode when you open it up with elements and everything. So what we're going to be doing is we're just going to be, like I said, taking advantage of someone else's. So his background color is set to this version of purple. It's like a gradient. So we can be going with other gradients. You can go with something like orange here. And then the internals can also be changed. You can see the color is still on that gradient. So you can just click on it here to simply change yours and then replace his face with yours and the name as well. So let's just go ahead and do that. All right, guys, and voila, this is what it looks like. So all you need to do once you have edited any of the YouTube banner examples you're going to find on Canva, once you have edited them, just simply click on share at the top right, and then simply click on download. So once you have downloaded it, you can now head back to YouTube and upload this banner in your YouTube Studio platform, and then simply upload it onto your channel. All right, guys, and please make sure to keep your banner, the logo, and the color scheme looking according to your channel. So if your channel is red by default, make sure to keep it true to that tone. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.